Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Clipboard on Realme C67 device. When you copy or cut text or other content, it is stored in the Clipboard, allowing you to paste it elsewhere. This can be useful for quickly moving or duplicating content within a document between different documents or even between different applications. Okay, and then the way to activate it. Here you can click menu icon. Okay, after that, tap on clipboard option. And then turn it on by pressing this button. Well, after that, to place it in the top of the keyboard, you can drag and drop it like this. Okay, and then now the clipboard on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate the clipboard on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.